Welcome. Today in front of me CUBOT R19, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings, and here tap on the sound section. As can you see here, we got the ring volume panel. Just to change the ringtone volume of your device, swap this green dot to the left or to the right side with your finger. Also, we got here the second way how we can do that. Just here on the right side of your device, you got the two volume buttons. Just press your volume buttons to adjust your ringtone volume. And also you can make it here on this volume panel with your finger. By the same way, just slide the green dot to up or to the down. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.